Back to the Line Story channel. Today's topic is the Golden Bird, the Mughals and the British. From ancient time through the medieval era, India was celebrated globally as Sone ki Chidiya, the Golden Bird, due to its unbelievable wealth, rich agriculture, and unmatched manufacturing. During the medieval period, the Delhi Sultan connected India to massive global trade network, establishing secure land routes and introducing a uniform currency system that boosted domestic market. Under the Mughal Empire in 17th century, India's economic power reached its absolute peak, producing a massive 25% of the entire world GDP, surpassing all the Europe combined. The Mughal built a peaceful, unified empire that became a global manufacturing hub, famous for high quality cotton, textile, steel, silk, and spices that everyone wanted to buy. Because Mughal India exported so much but imported very little, European and Asian merchants were forced to pay in physical gold and silver, causing precious metal to constantly flood into the country. The Golden Bird began to lose its footing when the Mughal Empire started weakening in the 18th century, leading to internal political conflict and division among regional kingdoms. Seeing this political weakness, the British East India Company stepped in, using clever political manipulation and a private army to gradually conquer India's richest region like Bengal. India's richest region like Bengal. Unlike the Sultan and Mughal, who kept and reinvested Indian wealth inside the country, the British systematically drained India's riches and shipped them out to Great Britain. The British intentionally crippled India's world famous textile industry by heavily taxing local weavers and flooding Indian market with cheap machine made clothes from British factories. By the time the British left in 1947, India's share of global wealth had pumped from 25% down to near 3%, permanently stripping the country of its historic golden bird tag. If you find the story is good, then please do like, share, subscribe 10 Line Story channel to see the video. So keep watching 10 Line Story channel. See you next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.